Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. In this video, we will first design bottom part. And we will extrude sketch to 95 mm. In second step, we will sketch upper portion. And extrude respective sketch 35 mm. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. Click here to add a new body. Create sketch. Select XZ plane. Turn on grid. Adjust grid size. Turn off auto constraints. Select Polyline tool. Draw rough sketch. Select start point as an end point. You can see 24 degrees of freedom to constrain this sketch. Constraints generated by Polyline tool. Total 12 line elements. Let's reduce degrees of freedom. Provide horizontal constraints. Provide vertical constraints. "12 degrees of freedom are remaining. Provide equal constraints. Check for degrees of freedom. Provide distance. "2 degrees of freedom. This can be restricted by coincident constraint. Click here. You can see fully constrained sketch. Close this sketch. Use Pad tool to extrude this sketch. "60 plus 35 mm. Bottom portion is designed. Create new sketch. Select front XZ plane. Select Polyline tool and draw rough sketch. Make closed loop. Provide vertical constraint. Provide horizontal constraint. Provide line length. Select Horizontal Distance tool. Vertical movement. Use vertical distance constraint to restrict this. Sketch is now fully constrained. Close this sketch. Select Pad tool to extrude this sketch. Close to add material. Make statement true. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Let's export this part. Save. Import this part. Select part. You can move this part. Check vector 001 means rotation about z-axis. Thank you for your time. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity.